Welcome to the eXcelius client portal developed in-house by Columbus Micro. This is your all-in-one hub for scheduling e-waste pickups, tracking recycling lots in real time, and accessing important compliance documents all in one secure place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up your account, navigate the portal, and use its key features to make your recycling program easier and more transparent. First, let's talk about getting access to the portal. If your company does not have an account yet, please email us directly through our website or call us at 614-901-1333. We'll create your profile and send you a temporary password. If your company already has users, they can add a new team member by submitting a new user request under the settings page. When you log in for the first time, you'll be prompted to reset your password to something secure and memorable. At the top of every page, you'll see the main navigation bar. From here, you can access the dashboard, the recycling hub, which you can schedule pickups from here, view lots, or open the document hub, the locations tab, where you can manage all of your pickup addresses, and of course, you can log out securely when you are done. The dashboard is your control center. It gives you a quick snapshot of everything happening within your recycling program. Here, you will see 4 main cards: your upcoming recycling lots, quick actions, recycling request status, year-to-date weight summary. Scheduling a pickup is very easy, so let's try it. Click the Schedule Pickup from the Quick Actions or the Recycling Hub button. Select or add a location. Provide on-site contact information, and choose your preferred date, service type, data destruction method, and list the items you need collected. Once you submit, Columbus Micro will review your request within 24 hours. You'll receive an email when it's approved or if we need to adjust the timing. Under recycling lots, you can track every lot of material you've sent us. Each card shows the date, ID, address, and current status. Lots move through these stages in real time: in review, inbound, received, weighed, in process, and complete. You can also filter lots by date range, status, or location. Once a lot is received, you'll automatically get access to its documentation through the Document Hub. The Document Hub stores all compliance paperwork in one place. Simply enter in the lot ID, which is just the pickup date, in MMDDYY format. You'll see everything tied to that lot, including, but not limited to, the release of liability, certificate of destruction, lot report, erasure certificates, and possible invoices. The settings page lets you customize your experience. Choose which email notifications you want, switch between dark and light mode, change your password, submit help tickets, or request new users. And you can also review your account information and update your phone number or address at any time. And that's a complete overview of the eXcelius client portal. It's designed to make your e-waste program faster, easier, and more transparent, while keeping all of your data and documents in one secure place. Because this platform was built entirely by project managers here at Columbus Micro, we can add features and improvements based on your feedback. If you have any requests or ideas, or run into any issues, please just shoot us an email or give us a call, or submit a help ticket directly through the portal. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing Columbus Micro as your trusted recycling partner.